Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to find your receipt for a McDonald's application order, whether for expense tracking, refund or purchase verification, here is how you can access it fast. So first of all, you need to open your McDonald's application, then sign in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply tap on this More tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. When you are here on this particular page, you just have to select the option of My Orders depending on the application version and the region in which you are accessing McDonald's. So select your order that you want to view and you should see the full purchase breakdown of that particular order, including the items ordered, the total paid amount, the payment method and the transaction details. Now in some regions you may also find an option to download, email or take a screenshot of that receipt directly for the records. Now if the receipt is not showing you over here, you can also check your registered email box, since McDonald's often sends the digital receipts automatically after the purchase. So you can also find them from your email address. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.